Hi, I'm Dr. Anthony Miller. I am a functional medicine practitioner and a chiropractor. Today, I wanted to provide some insight and some education on a topic that I hear a lot of my patients, a lot of my family and friends, a lot of my loved ones talk about. And that topic is detoxification. I'm sure you've all heard that term before, detoxification. But before we talk about detoxification, I want to talk to you about toxicity. And what I really mean by about toxicity is environmental toxins, things that we are exposed to on a daily basis that are toxins. And when we're exposed to toxins on a daily basis and our bodies are unable to eliminate those toxins as quick as we're exposed to them, that can create a tremendous amount of burden on the body. And when you have that burden over a period of time, that can lead to chronic illness. And those chronic illnesses that I see are chronic fatigue, joint pain, back pain, headaches, inability to lose weight, or GI issues, constipation, diarrhea, not going to the bathroom on a regular basis, things of that nature. So let me just put this in perspective for you. Did you know that since World War II, over 85,000 chemicals have been registered with the EPA? Every year, there's 2,000 new chemicals, synthetic chemicals, registered. Now, the problem with those chemicals is we don't know the long-term effects of those chemicals till 5, 10, 15 years down the road. And those synthetic chemicals are used in our beauty products that we use on a daily basis. They're used to wrap our food with, maybe the water bottle that we use, maybe the coffee cup that we use, the dishes we use, the things we use to make our house smell good, the things we use to kill the weeds in our backyard, make sure we have green grass. Those are things that we're exposed to every day, and we don't know the side effects of a lot of those chemicals. So that is what can create a tremendous amount of burden on the body. And that's why detoxification and toxicity are so important to understand what the proper way to eliminate the toxins are, so you don't have that increased burden. So we are what we eat, we are what we touch, we are what we breathe. So how does the body eliminate toxins? Or what does it do if it is exposed to too many toxins and not able to get those toxins out quick enough? Similar to your house. Say you have a huge rainstorm. Your gutters are clear, nothing's obstructing them. When it rains, the gutters work the way they are and they get the water away from the house. Now, over a period of time, if you don't clean your gutters, they can fill up with leaves, sticks, maybe some debris from the roof, and that starts to clog up the gutters. And when you have a big rainstorm, that water isn't able to flow out the gutters, and it's not able to get the water away from the house, and it spills over the side, and that can lead to damage in the foundation. And that's the same thing that can happen with our bodies if we're exposed to toxins over a period of time. So what our body does is, I don't know if you've ever heard this term, the solution to pollution is dilution. So that's what our body does if we're not able to eliminate it fast enough. Our body will produce fat cells and it'll store these toxins in adipose tissue. And the body thinks it's good. The toxins are out of the way, they're stored in the fat cells, and they're not causing any issues. But for that person, that typically leads to weight gain. Okay, and if you have weight gain, that is going to lead to more burden on the body. So what some people do is they go out and they get in one of these fad diets or one of these weight loss programs, and you are able to lose the weight quick. Maybe you lose 30 pounds in 30 days. A pound a day is what I hear a lot of these companies advertising for. But if you're losing a pound a day and those toxins are released from those fat cells and your body's not able to eliminate them, you might lose the weight right away. But what I hear a lot is, I lost 30 pounds, I kept it off for a couple months, and 6 months later, I put the weight back on. Well, the reason you put that weight back on is because you still have those toxins in your body and your body doesn't know what to do with them. It's not able to eliminate them. So again, they're going to produce more fat cells to store them so they kind of get them out of the way. So the trick to weight loss is to finding your toxic threshold and making sure your body is able to get rid of those toxins the way the body is designed to do. And that's exactly what I do, is I help people figure out what their toxic burden is, what's their toxic overload, what toxins are you exposed to every day, how is your body releasing those toxins or eliminating those toxins, and make sure it's functioning the way it should function. So what I want to do is I want to personally invite you to a phone call with me, 45 minutes, no charge to you, complimentary. We'll take a deep dive into your health history and figure out what is causing your body to not be able to eliminate those toxins properly. What toxins are you exposed to on a daily basis that you're not thinking about? And make sure that your body is functioning the way it's designed to function. So you are able to have the energy that you want. You are able to run that 5K if that's what you choose. You are able to go to the gym and not feel exhausted. You are able to play with your kids in the backyard. Check some things off the bucket list you want to do. Travel when you want to travel, and just have the energy and live the life that you are dreaming of living. So I just want you to know that I'm rooting for you. I'm here to help. So book that call, click that link below. Again, 45-minute phone call with me. So we'll take that deep dive together and figure out what your toxic overload is and what we need to do to correct your body. So I look forward to talking to you. I'm here to help. Click that link and we'll talk soon. Thanks.